Hello, my name's Dan. I'm working here at Yandles. We've got a small show on today, but I've got a brief lull, so I thought I'd take a moment to talk to you about one of the new products we're stocking from Lumberjack. So this is the PT330B benchtop thicknesser, and I'm just going to run through a few features on that now with you. So we've got a 13-inch capacity widthways and a 6-inch capacity height, so 150mm for those of you who, like myself, are more metric. The in and out feed tables have got a roller on them just to help reduce snipe that you might have from some other machines. We have a thermal reset button on the front, nice and easy to find. On-off switch with a quick hit stop, carbon brush replacement. So we flip the machine around, and just to show you, it comes with an extraction reducer, so you can either go straight on with the what looks like 65mm or 2.5 inch there. I have it fitted so that we can have the 100mm or 4-inch hose straight onto it. That comes with the kit. Extraction port at the back if you want to swap sides over. It has 2 bolts which you don't require an Allen key for. So I've removed this back section there. You can see there's a hole there, and they will line up whichever way round you fit it. So you're able to point the direction of extraction to either side of the machine, which makes it a lot easier for setting up in your home workshop. Removing the blades, you have a set of magnets as you do with some of the other popular machinery, and there is also still the Allen key that comes with it to adjust, and easy access carbon brushes at the back and also on the front. So finally then, as a lot of people always ask the question, weight and dimensions. So the whole thing boxed is approximately 30 kilos. The total width, if we take it from the base, you're looking at 540mm, 550mm or 21.5 inches. The height, if we include the top handle on there, you're looking approximately 485 or 19 inches. So the total depth, including the tables outfeed, you're looking about 640mm or 25 inches. So nice compact little benchtop machine, great working capacity on there. The blades are easily replaceable, they're not resharpenable, but they're very economical. So that is the Lumberjack PT330B, available from Yandles.